and well, Pauli. And Pauli is also a unique personality. You know, he was called the conscience of physics. He was always very capable, sometimes over-capable. And he could not tolerate sort of half-baked ideas. Didn't like it. But he, you know, there are so many Pauli stories. And Pauli comes out as a sharp critic who offends people. But he never did that consciously. It's more or less his honesty, his intellectual honesty. It made him say things, you know, critical things. But he never did it out of to be disagreeable, although sometimes he was. But if you know him better, you appreciate it very much, because you were, you could learn from Pauli. I learned the technique of physics, and he was wonderful in explaining. Although he's a bad lecturer, but from personal conversation, he was very patient. You can ask him stupid questions, as people say, because probably every question is stupid.
This is taped on June 17 during the visit of Professor Weisskopf to the Institute for Advanced Physics Studies in La Jolla, California.